Hello, my name is Peter Mellerud. I'm a co-founder and chief marketing officer of Kemp ADCs. Tell you a little bit about Kemp is a leading provider of load balancers and application delivery controllers, commonly known as ADCs. Now, our first ADC appliance called the Loadmaster shipped in 2004, which is almost forever ago in the industry. But since then, we've delivered over 23,000 of Kemp ADC deployments worldwide. So if you've been following the ADC market, you've seen it grow over the past few years at a rate of about 7% a year. Now, in contrast, Kemp has enjoyed a 56% compounded annual growth rate over the past 5 years, well ahead of any other ADC vendor. So in the next few minutes, I'd like to tell you about what makes Kemp unique and why so many enterprises and government organizations have been deploying and migrating to Kemp ADC solutions. One of the key differentiators of Kemp is what we call our platform ubiquity. Our products are available in 4 different platforms, which share the same features, functions, and a simple, easy-to-use interface. Our traditional purpose-built hardware appliances offer a wide range of performance capabilities. Our virtual appliances packaged for every major hypervisor, including VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, KVM, and many, many others. And they can scale all the way up to 10 gigabits per second of layer 7 throughput. Now, Kemp also offers virtual appliances that can be easily deployed in public cloud offerings, including AWS, vCloud Air, and Microsoft Azure. In fact, Kemp's Loadmaster for Azure is the only full-featured advanced Layer 7 load balancer. Loadmaster for Azure was recently certified by Microsoft and is available as a free and easy deployment right from within the Azure Store or VM Depot. Since its recent launch, hundreds of enterprise and educational and healthcare customers, financial institutions, many have deployed the Loadmaster in the Azure, leveraging the ADC to provide high availability and scalability, security for their application users. Now, finally, one of the most innovative and disruptive capabilities that Kemp brings to the table is our bare metal platform option, which is unique to Kemp Technologies. Now, this allows customers to deploy our ADC operating system directly on their hardware server platform, essentially turning their x86-based server into a high-performance load balancing ADC. Now, in partnership with Cisco, Kemp launched its first bare metal offering for the Cisco UCS platform, which is fully supported under the Cisco SmartNet support program. Recently, Kemp has also launched versions that are supported by HP, Dell, Fujitsu, Oracle, Sun server platforms, and others. In some markets, these leading server vendors are now bundling Kemp ADC operating system with pre-configured server platforms, further simplifying an ordering and deployment process. Now, these bundles are available through Kemp channel partners worldwide. Now, the benefit to the customer in deploying the bare metal model is that by separating the ADC software from the proprietary hardware platform, customers achieve virtually limitless scale-up capabilities. Investment protection is guaranteed because there is no longer a need to forklift upgrade or replace the hardware that gets outdated. Simply move your Kemp ADC software license to a more powerful server platform and instantly gain the benefit of higher performance and capacity. Because this can be done on demand, there is no need to pre-provision or purchase appliances that are overspec'd for current application workloads. In short, Kemp is the only ADC vendor that provides its offerings across all 4 key platforms and allows customers to easily transition and migrate among them. As an example, customers can deploy Kemp's hardware appliances. Then as they begin their journey towards data center consolidation and virtualization, they can simply move their configurations and licenses to Kemp's virtual appliances, regardless of the underlying hypervisor. And as they begin to adopt their hybrid cloud strategy, whether for DevOps or business-critical apps, they can transition their own prem virtual ADCs to Kemp's cloud offerings. Along with simple single SKU purchasing model, flexible licensing options, pricing that starts at under $2,000 for a virtual ADC, which includes, by the way, the first-year technical support, Kemp is totally reshaping how ADCs are being deployed today in both on-prem and hybrid cloud deployments. Now let's quickly talk about some of the key features and capabilities that are common to all LoadMaster ADCs, regardless of model or platform. Now we can separate the core functionality into three distinct areas. First is the high availability and scalability, which includes features like active hot standby redundant configurations, deep and granular hardware and application health checks, and ability to dynamically add and remove servers from load balancing rotations. Now, Kemp also supports the widest range of traffic management algorithms with support for virtually all common protocols, both at Layer 4 and Layer 7. Geo or global server load balancing capabilities are available as either standalone hardware or virtual appliances, or as an integrated feature of the LoadMaster ADC. So this GSLB functionality provides customers with resiliency across geographically dispersed data centers and provides for granular traffic control based on number of geography or location-specific criteria. Now, every LoadMaster also supports a host of application acceleration features as standard, features that are typically sold as extra cost options with other ADC vendors. These include SSL acceleration, caching, compression across both static and dynamic content, greatly improving the user experience of applications served behind the LoadMaster ADC. And finally, Kemp offers one of the most comprehensive security features in the industry. In addition to providing high-performance SSL acceleration capabilities and DDoS mitigation features, Kemp also includes a built-in capabilities like user authentication, single sign-on, and pre-auth for most commonly used Microsoft and other workloads, effectively replacing some of the functionality offered by Microsoft TMG. Because the LoadMaster operates as a full reverse proxy, with these edge security features, Kemp can easily replace or augment other expensive proprietary equipment. But wait, there's more! Every Kemp LoadMaster includes a full-featured IPS engine, which can support a wide range of common open source and commercial snort compatibility rule sets. Kemp will release a full-featured web application firewall, which will be available as a standard feature on supported models and platforms. A range of subscription options will be available for the daily push of rules and updates. However, Kemp will also support customer-developed proprietary rules that are compatible with the mod security syntax. Now, this is important because it will allow customers who already have a rich library of mod security rules to migrate them onto the LoadMaster platform. This is important because every LoadMaster can be deployed as an SSL decrypting and re-encrypting reverse proxy. It provides the best opportunity for mitigating web application threats. Very often we are asked about the most common use cases for our products, and in fact, it would probably take a year to cover the hundreds, if not thousands, of different applications and where our customers have successfully deployed the LoadMaster. Some of the most common use cases revolve around the variety of Microsoft workloads. Now, our partnership with Microsoft goes back a long way, and we've developed a number of unique features and capabilities that are optimized for the most common workloads like Exchange 2010 and 2013, Lync, SharePoint, Dynamics, Remote Desktop, and many others. Now, as more customers are migrating their Exchange environments to Office 365, we're seeing a surge in the deployment of load balancing for ADFS services. But we also see a host of other enterprise workloads like Oracle eBusiness Suite, SAP, and many other ERP platforms, applications that cover education, healthcare, financial services. And because we also offer a very compelling FIPS 140-2 offering, which is available at a fraction of the price of others, we're seeing a surge in federal government and defense sectors as well. Kemp is also ahead of virtually every other ADC vendor when it comes to providing real-world support and integration with software-defined networking and network function virtualization technologies. As an example, Kemp has recently completed work with HP on the VAN SDN controller. The Kemp ADC app, which is now available in the SDN App Store, provides an end-to-end visibility of network paths for optimal routing of applications across the server and switching infrastructure. Soon, Kemp will extend this functionality to support open daylight-based controllers, and we're actively working with other SDN ecosystem partners like VMware, Cisco, and Microsoft. Now, Kemp is a member of ONF, Open Daylight, and ETSI, actively contributing to the evolution of SDN. One of the most commonly used features of the LoadMaster is the ability to apply rules and regular expressions to control and manipulate traffic based on header content. This feature is often used by Kemp customers who are transitioning from legacy ADCs like F5, Big IP, and Cisco ACE products, and who need a simple way to migrate away from the complexity of iRules and other proprietary, difficult-to-maintain traffic management tools. In addition, Kemp has a rich set of APIs that enable it to seamlessly integrate with enterprise management, provisioning, and orchestration platforms. Kemp has done extensive work with partners like VMware and Microsoft in developing unique features around visibility and analysis of traffic flows, as an example within VCOps, and it's fully compatible with the complete range of VMware tools. Kemp is also launching a comprehensive set of tools for Microsoft System Center integration, and already has an LBAS plugin for OpenStack, allowing for automated provisioning of virtual services from within Neutron. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, one of our most prized achievements is the continuous praise we receive from our customers around the quality of our service and support. Our tech support engineers are highly qualified network and application architects, many of whom are industry veterans and have the highest certifications from Microsoft, VMware, and our other technology partners. Kemp offers a broad range of service options, including 7x24 phone and on-site support, which is available globally, and a number of remote deployment assistance options. Now, because our products are designed to be very easy to use and deploy, many of our customers choose to deploy our products themselves. Kemp provides a comprehensive set of technical documents freely available for download. These include deployment guides for key Microsoft and other workloads, configuration templates, installation manuals, quick start guides, and other helpful information. Now, perhaps the best and simplest way to experience what a Loadmaster can do for you is to download a free trial version of our virtual appliance. You can try it as a virtual appliance on any hypervisor. A free version is available with most public cloud providers, including Azure, and if you prefer, you can even order a free hardware appliance evaluation unit. And for more information, please visit us at kemptechnologies.com.